What if I told you that the most powerful supplements in the world are not hidden inside expensive bottles, not sold in fitness stores, and not promoted by influencers, yet they control your energy, your focus, your body, and even your results more than anything you can buy? Every single day, people spend money chasing better health. Fat burners, vitamins, pre-workouts, energy drinks, powders with complicated names that promise faster progress and stronger performance. For a moment, it feels like the answer is finally in your hands. You take the supplement, you feel motivated, you expect change. But then, something strange happens. Days pass, sometimes weeks, and nothing really changes. You still feel tired. Your body resists progress. Your focus is unstable. Your energy crashes in the middle of the day. And deep down, you start asking a question most people try to avoid. Why am I doing everything right, but still getting no results? Here is the uncomfortable truth. You are not failing because you lack supplements. You are failing because you are ignoring the foundation your body actually depends on. There are three powerful forces that act like natural supplements inside your body. They regulate your hormones, your metabolism, your mental clarity, and your physical performance. They cost nothing. They are available every single day. And yet, most people neglect them without even realizing it. And the worst part is this. You can train hard, eat clean, and spend money on the best supplements in the world. But if you ignore these three things, your body will still feel slow, tired, and stuck. Let's start with the first one, and the most powerful of them all, sleep. Not just lying in bed, not just closing your eyes, but deep, consistent, high-quality sleep that your body depends on to function properly. When you sleep, your body does not shut down. It rebuilds. Your muscles recover from stress. Your brain clears out waste and resets. Your hormones rebalance in a precise and powerful system that affects everything from your energy to your mood. Now think about what happens when sleep is broken. Your hunger increases without warning. You start craving sugar and junk food even if you were disciplined the day before. Your energy drops. Your focus becomes weak. Simple tasks feel heavier than they should. And it does not stop there. Your body becomes less efficient at burning fat. Your performance declines. Your recovery slows down. Your mood becomes unstable, and you feel irritated without a clear reason. All of this can start from something as simple as sleeping 5 or 6 hours instead of getting enough rest. Imagine two people living almost the same life. They both go to the gym. They both try to eat healthy. They both want to improve. But one of them protects their sleep, while the other sacrifices it for scrolling, late-night distractions, or inconsistent habits. After a few weeks, the difference becomes impossible to ignore. One person is improving, getting stronger, more focused, and more energized. The other feels stuck, frustrated, and confused about why nothing is working. The difference is not effort. The difference is sleep. Sleep is not a bonus. It is not something you fix later. It is the base layer that everything else depends on. Without it, you are building on a weak foundation, and sooner or later, everything starts to collapse. Most people will hear this and still ignore it tonight. Now let's move to the second powerful supplement, sunlight. Something so simple that most people underestimate it completely. When natural light hits your eyes in the morning, it sends a powerful signal to your brain that it is time to wake up and function. This regulates your internal clock, the system that controls your energy during the day and your sleep at night. When this system is aligned, everything becomes easier. You wake up with more energy. You feel more alert. Your mood improves. You fall asleep faster at night without forcing it. Sunlight also helps your body produce vitamin D, which supports your immune system, your bones, and your hormonal balance. But the impact goes even deeper. People who avoid sunlight often feel low energy, low motivation, and constant mental fog. They wake up tired even after sleeping. They struggle to focus. They feel disconnected without understanding why. And instead of fixing the real cause, they look for artificial solutions. More caffeine, more stimulants, more quick fixes that only mask the problem for a short time. But sometimes the real solution is simple. 10 to 20 minutes of natural sunlight, especially in the morning, can completely shift your entire day. It can improve your mood, sharpen your mind, and give your body the signal it has been missing. You do not need another energy drink. You need to reconnect with something natural your body was designed to depend on. Now the third supplement, and this one is silently damaging people's health without them realizing it. Movement. Not extreme workouts, not complicated routines, just consistent, natural movement throughout your day. Your body was not designed to sit for long hours without interruption. When you stay still for too long, your circulation slows down. Your muscles become inactive. Your metabolism drops. Your brain receives less stimulation, which affects your focus and clarity. You might think that going to the gym for 1 hour fixes everything, but it does not fully compensate for sitting 10 hours a day. Movement is not something you do once and forget. It is something your body expects continuously. Simple actions like walking, standing, stretching, or even taking short breaks to move can have a massive impact on your health. When you move regularly, your blood flows better. Your energy stays more stable. Your body becomes more efficient. Your mind becomes sharper. And most importantly, you stop feeling stuck in that constant state of fatigue that so many people think is normal. Now here is where everything connects. If your sleep is broken, your energy drops. If your energy drops, you avoid movement. If you avoid movement, your body becomes weaker. If your body becomes weaker, your sleep gets worse. And the cycle continues. This is why so many people feel trapped. Not because they are lazy, not because they lack discipline, but because they are stuck in a system that is silently working against them. And no supplement in the world can fix that. Now, step back for a moment and look at the bigger picture. Sleep, sunlight, movement. 3 powerful forces, completely free, available to almost everyone, yet ignored by people who are busy searching for complex solutions. People want shortcuts. They want fast results. They want something external to fix an internal problem. But your body does not work like that. It does not reward complexity. It rewards consistency. Before you spend more money, before you chase another trend, before you blame your genetics or your situation, ask yourself 3 honest questions. Are you sleeping enough? Are you getting natural sunlight regularly? Are you moving your body every single day? Because if your answer is no, then you already know what is holding you back. The most powerful supplements in the world were never hidden from you. They were never locked behind a price. They have always been part of your daily life. You just chose to ignore them. And the scary part is, you already know which one you're neglecting. Now be honest with yourself. Which one are you neglecting the most right now? Sleep, sunlight, or movement? Write your answer in the comments, because that one habit might be the reason you feel stuck. And if you truly care about your health, your energy, and your future, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Because what you ignore today is exactly what's silently destroying you